Oh, he's picking his winners. Oh. Picking his winners. Giving out the coveted prizes.
So hard because for me, I love every single car in here.
Some awesome machinery.
Modern modded BM C63s to every single classic here. I love it. How are you?
Awesome. Yeah. Day two.
Day two.
Day one was insane.
Blew my mind.
Absolutely insane.
Day two, as an event organiser, the only anxiety I have is that there's more people in here. I just want people's cars not being touched or damaged in any way. But more people, be more energy.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
The smiles and everything, like it's unreal. The amount of people that have messaged me about how they brought their kid to their first car show and the kid is totally hooked now, and it's feeding that future generation that love combustion engines.
It's insane. And like saying about people touching people's cars, the amount of respect I've seen around people's cars has been absolutely awesome. And mate, I'm looking forward to day two.
It's amazing, and already I'm thinking, how can we make this better in a future event here? And how Nedworth, my next big one,
we're looking forward to that.
Last year, but also a step up from this.
Looking forward to Nedworth.
Watching.
Oh, you know it, you know it. Anyway,
Thanks,
thank you for an awesome show.
VIP ambassador, he's on it.
Take care, man.